Very good morning, children. In today's session, we are going to continue with Python libraries. So far, in this chapter, we have learned about what do you mean by Python library, how to create modules, what are all the standard Python modules, and then some of the standard library functions we have discussed so far. I would say today's session it is going to be very interesting, at least for me, because in this session we are going to create our own library. We have already created a module, so which is only one Python program, which contains number of functions, and then we have imported that function in any of your later program, and you will be able to use that functions that you have imported. So today what we are actually going to discuss is that how the normally the packages and libraries with the number of submodules are created. That is what we are going to learn today, right? So in today's session, so before we start creating and what are all the steps to create the library or a package, let us first understand some of the terminologies. So what do you mean by package? A package is a collection of Python modules. Okay, it is not just only one module, it is a collection of Python modules under a common namespace, right? Okay, now you must be aware of the terminology namespace created by placing different modules on a single directory. Okay, so created by placing different modules on a single directory. This is how we are going to create, along with some special files. So what are the special files? That is what we are going to understand now. Okay, so a package is a collection of Python module. I am going to create a package or a software, okay, that is importable. That is, you can create whatever the command that you are writing, import math, import sys, import string. Okay, so those modules, how it has been written, how you will be able to access the individual functions, how it is actually working. Okay, that is what we are going to learn. Okay, so here the package is a collection of modules in one what do you say, so if you take any library, it will be having number of modules. Okay, so I'm going to, it is a collection of modules, number of modules. Okay, and you're going to give a one single name for that. Okay, that is what a package is. Okay, so that when you create a package, you will put all the submodules in a single directory. So in a directory structure, in order for a folder to be recognized as a package, a special file, namely init.py, must also be stored in the folder, even if the init.py is empty. Okay, this is a very important point that you are learning right now. Okay, so if you want, that is what you mean by directory. Directory, it's nothing but a folder, the normal folder that you create in your computer. Okay, so in that particular folder, you're going to have a number of Python programs, that is submodules, or nothing but folders, the subfolders that you create under the top level folder. Okay, that those will be considered as a submodules. So in each of these folders and subfolders, there must be a init file. Okay, that is what, it's very very important. Okay, so why what is the need of init file? It's that, so only if you have, only if the folder is having that init file, that particular file will be considered, that particular directory will be considered as a package. Okay, so we are going to write a normal Python program. However, you write your own functions and then main program in a normal way, in a same way we are going to write a package. It's not nothing very big, or we can't create your own packages. It's not like that. Okay, anybody can create, but what is the point, how to create the package, and you have to do it in a systematic manner. Okay, so if you want your simple program to be considered as a package, so what you need to do is, so that particular folder should have a init file. Okay, I'll be giving a live demo for that. Okay, not a live demo, of course I will be giving you a demo for that. Okay, so that particular folder and subfolders must have init underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. Okay, that file must be there, and that is an empty file, nothing will be written. Simply you will open a Python program, and then you just save it as init.py, that's it. Okay, so and then what do you mean by library? A library can have one or more packages and sub packages. Okay, so in a library there will be number of packages and then sub packages. Okay, so the file init.py in a folder indicates it is an importable Python package. Without init.py, a folder is not considered as a Python package. Okay, so to make a folder to be considered as a Python package, so there must be a init, that is underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. Okay, so that file must be there. Okay, let us create now let us discuss what are all the steps involved in creating the Python library.